Hello everyone, I'm going to cook kare-kare. I have eggplants, bok choy, and string beans. This is the peanut butter and this is the rice flour. I'm using pork hocks and I'll boil it in the water for 10 minutes to remove the impurities. Now I'm going to saute the garlic and the onions. Then I add the pork hocks. Then I'm going to add the annatto powder. I added some water and let it simmer for 45 minutes. I also added pork cube to enhance the flavor. Meanwhile, I'm going to blanch the bok choy. After 2 minutes, remove it and put on the ice. Now I'm going to blanch the eggplants and have some ice cubes ready. Just blanch for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain the eggplants and put in the bowl with ice cubes. I also blanched the string beans. I got rice. Time to add the peanut butter. Add the rice flour slurry to thicken the sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes. It's time to add the vegetables into the pot. And cover the pot and let it simmer for 2 minutes. It's done and ready to serve with the rice. My version of kare-kare, it's best with rice and bagoong. That's it. Thank you for watching.